Hello, and thank you for choosing Bahamas Ride, the premier on-demand taxi app in the Bahamas. This introduction video will walk you through a ride and show you how to use the app properly. First, you will need to register or sign in to your account. The app will then direct you to the home screen. This is where you determine what size vehicle you need and your pickup location. Vehicle prices are the same, so if one size isn't available, try another. After you select your vehicle, drag the pin to your exact location. Once it is in place, tap Set Pickup Location. You will then choose your payment method at the top of the screen by tapping Cash or Card. To alert a driver of your request, click Ride Now. Please only click Ride Now if you are ready for a driver to show up. Do not run test rides on the app or charges may apply. The app then finds the nearest driver to alert them of your request and show them your location. You will get a notification when your driver starts to move towards you. You can follow along with the driver's location by watching the icon on the map. Watch now as this driver goes to pick up a passenger. As soon as your driver arrives, you will get a notification on your screen. Look for the driver and signal to them if they do not see you. State your name to confirm you are getting in the correct taxi. Once you're with the driver, discuss your destination and negotiate a fare. Please note that fares to the same destination may have variability due to the amount of passengers and luggage. When you have agreed on a price, the driver will send you an official fare on the app. You must tap Accept for the ride to officially begin. Do not accept the fare on your phone if the rate is different than the negotiated price. Now that all the business has been taken care of, you can sit back and enjoy your ride. Your driver strives to make your experience an enjoyable one. If there is anything that they can do to make your ride better, please let them know. Most of our taxis have Wi-Fi on board. If you would like to access this, please tell your driver. We encourage you to follow along with your journey on the map in the Bahamas Ride app. As soon as you arrive at your destination, the app will generate an invoice for your fare. You can see all of your previous rides by tapping on the 3 lines in the top left of your screen and going to the History tab. You will be asked to leave feedback for your driver. This is very important to us as it guarantees only the best drivers stay in our network. And that is it. You've completed a ride. Your app will now switch back to the home screen where you can request another ride when you're ready. We appreciate each and every one of our riders. If you need help with the application, do not hesitate to contact us at any time by visiting our website at www.bahamasride.com. We strive to make transportation in the Bahamas safe, convenient, and reliable, and invite you now to see how easy it can be to get a ride in minutes with just the tap of a button. Have a great day.